Hello to all our viewers. Welcome back to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you Shavige Bath. The secret of this wonderful dish is the spices which are ground into paste that gives this dish a biryani-like taste. That's the reason it's known as Shavige Bath. This dish can be prepared in the morning for breakfast too, as it doesn't consume much time. So why wait? Let's get cooking. Please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. During Christmas, it's a tradition to decorate homes and Christmas trees with colorful lights, as they believe it to be a festival of lights. It is such a feast to our eyes to see the whole city lit up. We had been to a light show and couldn't stop from sharing the wonderful glimpses of this breathtaking event. The dancing lights are synchronized with the music you hear in the background. For this recipe, I am taking MTR roasted vermicelli. If you would like to use the unroasted vermicelli, you can use it as well, but you need to roast the vermicelli on a low heat with some ghee until it's golden brown in color. Here I have measured 2 cups of vermicelli, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped. I shall also be using few veggies such as beans, green peas, carrot and potato. These are the veggies of my choice, but you can add any veggies of your choice. For grinding, I shall be taking 8 green chilies, or you can adjust it according to your spice tolerance. 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 10 cloves. You can adjust these spices according to your taste buds. First, to a mixer jar, I shall be adding all the ingredients that are required for grinding with very little water and grind it to a coarse paste. Now our ground masala is ready. Next, in a vessel, I shall be adding in 4 cups of water, as I have taken 2 cups of vermicelli. Now I shall place it on the stove and turn on the heat and allow it to come to a nice boil, as it helps in cooking faster and saves time. While the water is getting heated, I shall start working on sauteing the vegetables. For that, in a heated vessel, add in required amount of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the mustard seeds. Once you hear the mustard seeds crackle, add in the chopped onion and saute until translucent. Once the onions turns translucent, add in the chopped tomatoes and saute until soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nice and mushy, add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Now add in all the veggies. And saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add in salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now cover the lid and cook the veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low heat. Stir occasionally if necessary. Now let's mix it once. And add in the ground masala. Mix it well. I have added just half cup of water to the mixer jar and will be adding here so as to incorporate the masalas with the veggies. Do not add excess water as it might make the vermicelli soggy. Mix it well. Now let's add in hot water. Cover the lid and allow it to come to a nice boil. Once it comes to a nice boil, check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Now let's add in vermicelli. And mix it well. Cover the lid and cook the vermicelli on a low heat for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Now let's cover and cook for another 2 minutes on a low heat. Finally, let's top it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Spicy, tasty, delicious Shavige Bath is ready to be served. Please do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.